welcome and welcome back to my channel, Aksara Tourist. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're my beautiful returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And guys, today we are in the market and we are buying shop things for the baby. As you can see here, like everything is pretty okay. The weather is very beautiful. Yeah, everything is really beautiful. And guys, let us shop with you. Oh yeah.
Mamto. Nafuna kuma market ne ko.
Masani wa kai. Masani wa kai.
Aha, ngene waje jwansi.
So hey guys, we have decided to buy the bucket and the little soap for the baby, you know. Yeah, what else? Cotton and the mama kit. This one they are used when the lady is going for the delivery in the hospital. So yeah, we have to buy these ones and yeah.
My beautiful people, I hope you're having a great time as I am. And today we are in Kampala. This is the Sunday market in Kampala. This is a Chikubo, guys. This is Chikubo market. You know, it has been fun shopping here. You know, so right now I have one of my subscribers. She saw the other video when I was serving food. Just to remember the other lady who was pregnant and her husband was deaf, he can't hear or talk, you know. So someone just decided, told me, Sarah, I just want to send you money and go and buy things for that family. And guys, right now we are in the market shopping things for them. I hope they are going to enjoy. I hope they will be useful, and I just know they are. Yeah, right now we are in the market bargaining, calculating, see what we can take, what we can't take. These are white. I'm just a bit worried, but of course I have to take it because that's what the color they have here in the market. Yeah, we have so many things that we are going to do, and one of my subscribers too sent me money for the kids. Do you still remember the other video I did when I was cleaning bath with the kids as I was playing the game? So someone was like, Sarah, I'm seeing your kids at your community, they don't have clothes. Is it okay when I send you money and go buy for them clothes? And I'm like, yeah, it will be really great. And yeah, today we'll be buying clothes. I'll be in Kampala for 3 days and I can't wait to share it with you, the whole process. Let us go shop, me and you. Hope you enjoy.
So hi guys, right now I'm trying to look for the bed sheets for the baby, you know. I'm just trying to see what would be good for her or him, you know. I'm just hoping he's a guy, you know, or a boy.
What she jumps?
Two.
What?
Kalekeko ako. Kalekeko. Rako. Mungu kenyini. za mpavu nnyo tezijja tukoleza.
So hey guys, I want to show you what I have bought. I know the kids, they are going to be very happy. See, this is so beautiful. And guys, these ones are for 2,000, you know, each, 2,000 each. And guys, look here how beautiful it is. Oh no, it is very, very, very beautiful. Yeah, there are so many here, and yeah, these are for 2 girls. And yeah, if this was a Sunday market, and tomorrow maybe we will go somewhere and I will be showing you. Guys, I also bought some. These are mine. These are mine, and yeah, I bought this one. So hey guys, this one is mine. Yeah, and this one for my mom. This one, see, and other dresses are here. You see, yeah. These are mine, and guys, yeah, this is what we have bought from the Sunday market today. And yeah, anyways, guys, for those who have contributed, who have donated, thank you so much for being with such a loving heart, for loving us, for loving our village, and yeah, for just supporting me. For those who comment, thank you so much. You are amazing. You guys, when I read your comments, I feel like, yeah, I'm very blessed to have people like you in my community. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming, for checking, for loving me, and for subscribing. Guys, please don't forget to do what? Subscribe. Bye bye. Beautiful friends, today is a beautiful Monday morning, and yeah, this is my second day in Kampala, and today we are going to shop things for the kids, clothes for the kids, which is so beautiful. And yeah, guys, where you have seen me, it's where the Sunday market was yesterday. And yeah, right now we are going to the Wino market, and I know you're going to enjoy. I'm just a bit scared because you know Wino has so many people, and I'm just afraid of vlogging, taking cameras around. But I just know that because of you, I'm going to make it, because you're praying for me every day. And yeah, let us go and shop clothes for the kids. Sarah, I'm just happy and I don't have much words to say, but guys, I'm very, very, very happy that you have been supporting me, that you have been helping me, and I'm just really happy for those my subscribers, my beautiful friends who have been like, Sarah, we have sent this amount of money, please divide. Some are yours and some are for the kid. Thank you so much for thinking about me. And yes, that's because I'm buying these sweater pants. Guys, I have been loving this cloth. I think close to 1 year and a half. I was always telling my brother, I just want to buy those things. I just want to buy those pants. And he was like, you get money and buy them. And yeah, finally you have said, go and buy them. Yeah, I had to buy the shoes. Unfortunately, that vlog for the shoes, I not managed to make it because the market was very crazy. I couldn't do that. But yeah, I'm just happy. I'm just excited. And I can't wait to wear them. And guys, you see that dress? I bought it yesterday. I went home, washed it, and again dressed it. It was so beautiful. I looked so beautiful, so comfortable, and I just love the designs on it. Yeah, right now we are going back home. Guys, see me tomorrow as I'll be preparing to go back home to Ginger. I miss my Ginger. Ginger is very beautiful, though Kampala is the best. Hey guys, we are in the salon right now and I want to change my hair. You know, someone is like, Sarah, you can go in the salon, wash it and change the hair. I'm just want to see how I'm going to look. It's going to be the same design, but these are going to use Bazita Wati.
Natural twist.
It's called natural twist. My next video, I'm going to be showing you how I'll be giving out the things to my community. I know the kids and their parents are going to be very happy because some of the kids, they don't have clothes. And yes, I bought the blackboard. Someone sent me money for that and I bought it, and I can't wait to show it to you tomorrow as I'll be vlogging. Anyway, thank you so much for checking on me, for loving me, for donating, for commenting. It was really beautiful. And this coming Sunday, it's going to be amazing. We'll be entering my grandpa's house. Yeah, and I can't wait to just take him in. And yes, on Monday, we'll be starting on the other lady's house. Some have contributed, some are promising to contribute. Thank you so much for those who have contributed. Thank you so much. Right now, we are just packing everything. I'm going back to Ginger and I'm very excited to go back home and see what is there. Really, I've been missing home though. I've been enjoying it. This was fun. I had a friend and she's this family have been good, so beautiful to me. Like they have given me everything, food, water, the bed. Yeah, and they just wanted even to carry me on their backs. It was so beautiful. I just enjoyed it here. I hope I'll come back and again meet them. Let me pray they have enjoyed my company. But anyways, we are preparing. We are going back to Ginger. Guys, see me in town, then in Ginger.
Okuva wansi paka waggulu nga bw'oyambadde. We shall miss you, Sarah. It was really a pleasure having you here. Safe journey.
Where is my mask?
Oh God, let me go and pick it.